Morning friends, this is Roshan from Price Action Traders. Let's see what is going to happen in next coming days. Okay, this is a Nifty chart. Let me change it to 1 day. Okay, you can see here I explained that if this time it was in range bound and then a red candle here, but it was only bit of profit booking. Next day it started moving like anything. So it has moved 4 days like anything. Now we have some gaps here, and then here. How to trade these gaps or even the gaps which has been created earlier? Okay, first thing, the gaps works as a resistance as well. It attracts the share price to come up to the gap because no one has traded in that price, so sometimes it attracts the share price to come up to that level, and then it works as a good resistance as well. So let's see which all resistance areas it can work. So you can see we have already entered one gap, so this gap it will probably be filled, and next gap, which is around 11,000 and 11,100, will be acting as a good resistance. You can see here, if we talk about RSI, then it's already above 70, so there are very less chance that it will go further up, but I can say that it will move at least 100, 150, 200 points at least if it will go up. So you will have a good sorting opportunity when it will be around 11,000. Okay, and you know why the stock market is moving? Because they have got some news that we might get the vaccine, or the vaccine's trial is going on in UK and other countries. So if that will be successful, then the market will move further up. But we know market moves in speculation, so that's what happening at the moment. Okay, so at the moment I would request you guys, in fact, don't go short until and unless you see some price action in this. Okay, what does it mean? If I say I'll create a trend line here simply. Okay, let me draw it from here till here. Okay, this is a rough trend line I have drawn. So market will be weak only if it will cross this trend line. Okay, once it will cross this trend line, then only it will come down, it will have the chance to come down. For and until it doesn't do that, just use the price action to go long and go short for intraday purpose, but your view should change to negative only once it will cross this trend line. Okay, now let me change it to lesser time frame so that you will be able to understand how to trade it. Yesterday it was making higher high, and then it started falling around 130. You can see here a clear rejection, and then it started falling, and now it has stopped around 767. So the major hurdle for the index will be around 10,800 for today, and the support will be placed at 7,000. If it breaks 7,000, then it will go for gap filling. If it opens today around these areas, then it will create a gap, and then I suspect that it will be coming to fill the 50% of the gap. Okay, see, this is how we trade the gaps. If it gaps up or gaps down, then there is a high possible chance that it will come down to fill the gap in the same day. If it does, and then it reverses from there, then it will be a good buying opportunity. Say for example, if it opens here 850 around, and if it retraces, see, from here till here, the 50% mark is around this level, yesterday's high I should say. So it will come around this level to fill the gap, or it might even fill the entire gap, and then it might move back again. So this is how price action works in a daily basis. I usually trade using the candles for daily purpose. You might have seen yesterday's video, uh, uh, image screenshot of Bank Nifty. So let me tell you what happened in that. This is a 15-minute chart. I saw a clear breakout in this area. Here, I'll create a small trend line. So I saw a clear breakout in this area, and then I put a order at 22,250. It was trading at 22,258, 260, but I put the order at 250, and luckily, as soon as it got hit, I mean, as soon as it got activated, the market shooted like anything, and you might see my target of 70 points was achieved in no time. It was only 12 seconds. Okay, so this is the power of price action. For today, what might happen if it opens flat? Then there will be a high probability chance that it will give a breakout like this. Say for example, if the candle gets formed here, then it will be a breakout again, and then it will move further up. Okay, but mind one thing, the daily RSI is around, just a second, is around 70, and and is around 60 for Bank Nifty. So it has some potential to go up. If it breaks 22,340 or 350, then it will go further up, and if it doesn't, then below 22,150 it will be more weak. So have this idea. And one more thing, the people who see this kind of chart say that what should I do in the in between, like what should I do in between 22,150 and 22,350. So use the price action, guys. If you don't know, learn it from somewhere. If you are not getting any other source, then you can join my next session. Okay, okay, so trade carefully, trade smartly. Thanks for watching.